Hi 406 friends, we are online today to show you how to create consignor price tags in the Hub using just a mobile device and voice entry. Alrighty, so what you're going to do is head to 406consignary.com, select the two black lines on the top right corner, and then what you have here are all of our menu options. Two most important ones for our sellers. Obviously, number one is the selling tab and Consignor 101. That is our tutorial page. That's going to show you different ways to hang your stuff, box up your stuff, attach your price tags, best practices for drop off, and so on. And then let's hit that menu button again. Contact us if you have any questions. We have tons of helpful people on our Facebook group. It is 406 Consignary VIP Society. You do need a consignor number to be added into the group, so make sure you know that before you request to join, or you can reach out via our contact on our page or any of our socials as well. All right, so we're gonna hit the Consignor Login button, select the town that we want to manage our inventory. I'm gonna use a sample account here and remember my password. All right, password is in. If I had forgotten my password or consignor number, you can also reset it using the buttons on the bottom of this page, or reach out to us. We can also try to help you on the admin side if you super can't remember. Okay, so on here, make sure that all your account information is up to date. We need that to always stay current and accurate, so that way when we print your consignor checks on Sundays, that's going to match your bank account stuff, so that way they can verify and cash or deposit that check for you. Or if for whatever reason you weren't able to pick up your money on Sunday night, we're going to mail it to whatever address is on file in your Consignor Hub here. Okay, so step one, hit the menu button, hit work with consigned inventory, scroll down a little bit. We're going to hit add items, and mobile version is just let's just tap it. All right, so this guy is if you want to tap all the things and type it. Really good if you have a napping kiddo. That one will be easy. Let's hit return to inventory menu. Add items, mobile voice entry is my favorite. Okay, so always want to make sure that your category and your item size are correct when you are making your tags. We need things to be as accurate as possible, because any tags that are hand modified usually won't be accepted into Consignary, because if the price has been modified by hand or the discount status has been modified by hand, we can't take those tags because we can't verify if the consignor modified the price tag or if a shopper might have come through and been like, oh my gosh, the consignor totally meant for this Patagonia jacket to go half price. They just forgot to did it, blah, blah, blah. And so we don't want folks to change your prices on stuff for you. Okay, so we're going to pretend we're tagging some Boys 3T stuff, and let's go ahead here. Set your category, your item size, put your cursor in the little box here, and then hit the microphone button on the bottom of your screen. Bada bing. All right, let's check on it. Gap blue jeans, boot cut. Totally fine with the typos. The words are good to go. The price says $7, and the little percentage sign there in the corner means that item's going to go half off. And so the little magic formula here is you want to say the words. So you do your description, and then you do the words price, say the number, and then dollars. And those are the little magic set of words that tells the item how to make the price tag. And then also, if you want the item to go discount, after you say price $7, then you say the word discount. If you want something to go to donation, you say donation as well. So let's make another one here. Submit item. Let's see what we got here. Cool. Carter's black long sleeve dino t-shirt, price $3. And so I said discount, and it has a little track. That means it's going to go to a donation. And let's do one more here. Let's go ahead and do a Patagonia jacket. Or let's go ahead and add a little description with it. Okay. So hit dictate item, hit done. Boops. Just kidding. Boop. Let's see what we got. Hey, we got it. But it cut off animals, so kind of up to you if you want to update it. Whoop, fleece. And jacket, woodland animals. Whoop, cool, cool. All right, hit submit. And the item was updated successfully. Let's do one more here. There's another thing I want to show you. All right, so that's how you do the 50-cent factor. You say price $5.50, then discount. Or leave the discount off if you're not discounting, but you gotta say price, number, dollar, and then say 50 cents, and that'll add it on there at the tail end. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to print these guys. So let's do, you can do the print tags directly, but when using a cell phone, I'm gonna show you best practice. Okay, so go here to your main inventory menu, hit print tags, and then you're going to do print all tags PDF. And yes, you might print a couple extra tags, but you can select if you're printing, you know, page 1 through 6, or if you just added a few more tags this season, you can select, you know, oh, just pages 3 through 6 or whatever when you're actually at the printer. Alrighty, so on here we have then the little share arrow at the bottom. Now that all of our tags are up, you always want to make sure to have all of the barcodes loaded before you save the item or send it to a printer. So that little button there, I have a printer that hooks up to that, so I can just hit print here, and I have a wireless printer there, so that's going to print there if I were to hit print. However, let's pretend you don't have a printer at home, and if you don't have a printer, no problem. So go ahead and hit that arrow button again on the bottom of your screen, and then you can choose to add it as an attachment to Gmail, to your Google Drive. On the bottom of the screen, you can hit save to Dropbox, or even just save to files as a PDF and hit save right there. And now it's good to go. You can attach that to an email or put it on a thumb drive and take it to a printer. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. We can't wait to sell with you this season.